Alright guys, so I'm up here in Temple now. You can see I'm at Swift. So over here, my truck's a lot safer. So let's just do a quick video, kind of like an overview. This is probably going to be a separate upload of things that we're going to start doing. Okay, so as I said earlier, we're going to replace those hood shocks. My rear axle has a oil leak. I believe it's on this side. We need to get it replaced and fixed. Don't know if I'm gonna go with a flatbed or just replace this. You know, this is all, you know, damaged beyond, I mean, not beyond use, but I'll sell the bed and just get a replacement bed. Might be doing a paint job. As you can see, it's kind of cracked up here. I thought about doing rhino liner on the truck. Got a few dents like right here. I don't know if you're picking that up or not. I can see it, you know, right there. I got a friend who can actually pop pop those little dents, so I might ask him. This door right here doesn't work, so we're gonna fix this. We're also gonna do the window. Make sure the water stays out. So we're going to be doing the window here really shortly. I just need to find out what all I need to buy to get that fixed. Then on this side, they damaged the door handle as well, but this side works. Thinking about, well, I got two ways I can go with this truck. I can either make it ranch style and do ranch hand bumpers, front and back and stuff like that, and put a flatbed on it. Or I can bag it, lower it, clean it up, and make it look badass. There's two ways I can go. Which way I want to go, I don't know yet. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, the truck's here. It's looking all right. Could have been worse. More damage could have been done. I got a little bit of damage right there. I wonder where that happened, but oh well, it don't matter. We're gonna make this thing look nice. We're gonna fix this scratching that's right here. Some of the dings over here. Yep. That's the wrap. So not the best video, just a really short one. Just kind of letting you guys see what I got to deal with this truck. But I'm gonna go. We got 2 loads to do. I'm gonna start editing and getting these videos uploaded. Today's Friday, day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. So we're just gonna start getting all this stuff uploaded and edited and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe.